Albania, a country of breathtaking beauty and an ancient history that sends shivers down the spine. From the brave Illyrians to the impressive Roman ruins and the fascinating culture of the Ottomans, from emperors to kings and unofficial kings, from conquerors to world-renowned poets, Albania proudly preserves its identity. Majestic mountains and a stunning coastline bear witness to a past that captivates every visitor. Embarking on a journey through this enchanting land becomes an unforgettable odyssey, igniting the spirit and conquering the heart.